This is BBC News. I'm David Eades. Don't be alarmed. We're coming to you a minute earlier than usual. It's 23:59 here in London, and the countdown to the new year is underway. We're in the last minute of 2022. This is the scene in central London where 100,000 revellers are just waiting for the chimes of Big Ben, the launch of 2023, and the launch also of a massive 12-minute firework display said to be the biggest in Europe. Worth pointing out, it's the first time in 3 years that they've been able to gather in person to call in the new year and enjoy the celebration. So as that countdown ticks away, let's tune in.
London.
I've been away for a while, traveled a million miles, but I'm heading back to London town.
But trust this, the more I look, the more I see. There's so much more I'm going to be.
What a year 2022 has been.
Oh, and a turn for England! Oh, yes!
Sweet Caroline, the time never seemed so good. Sweet Caroline, I believe it never could.
It's all over! England, European champions for the very first time! Unstoppable today, unstoppable. I'm a version with no brakes. I'm invincible. And I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. I'm unstoppable today.
Stefania, mamo, Stefania, poczucie poczuty twoje miłe słowo.
Thank you for supporting Ukraine.
This is the town which wants to open its hearts and homes to Ukrainian refugees.
Slava Ukraini!
London stands with all those around the world displaced by conflict, strife, and the climate crisis.
More than 1 million people take to the streets of London for London Pride, 50 years since the Gay Liberation Front organised the UK's first Pride March.
We are here, we are queer, and you'd better get used to it.
I declare before you all that my whole life, whether it be long or short, shall be devoted to your service.
Even with the most deeply held differences, treating the other person with respect and as a fellow human being is always a good first step towards greater understanding.
Farewell, ma'am, and thank you for everything.
As stewards of this precious planet, it is our actions, and our actions alone, that will determine its future.
Let me be love. Let me be loving. Let me give love, receive love, and be nothing but love. In love and for love.
There, welcome to my town, y'all run it here. So take me back to London.
the story, I dust that chick, she got no grace. See her X-Man, she got no taste.
Well, what an assault on the senses there. 12 minutes of non-stop music, entertainment, and of course, fireworks galore. A very happy new year to you all from central London. And that is one way to bring in 2023. Our reporter Greg Mackenzie is in the thick of it in central London. I bet that's got them bouncing, Greg.
It has indeed, it has indeed. I'm absolutely speechless. That was a 12-minute spectacular. The biggest firework display in the entire Europe, having taken place just a few minutes ago. I mean, an incredible way to start the new year. Big Ben, the chimes, the bongs of Big Ben started, as did the fireworks over here at the London Eye. Iconic around the world, a 12-minute spectacular extravaganza. I'm absolutely speechless, having watched it right here. And just behind us are hundreds of thousands, well, 100,000 people who managed to get tickets. And now you can hear that famous song, Old Lang Syne, which is just playing in the background. People cheering and celebrating to 2023. There were messages being played out with those fireworks. A message from the Queen, a message from the Mayor in terms of the year just gone. 2022 is no more, and we now focus on the new year 2023. And let's try and whiz the camera around and see if we can have a chat with some people here. And I mean, what did you make of that? Hey, Happy New Year, everyone! What did you make of it? Amazing.
Oh, it was great. It was great.
Was it worth the journey, the wait?
It was worth. It was worth the wait and the journey and everything.
Yeah.
It was great.
And what about yourself?
Yeah, it is worth it. It's very nice.
Yeah. And what about yourselves?
I'm so excited and so amazing. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, exciting. I mean, that was a show and a half, right? So here's one cheer, say Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Well, there you have it. So, I mean, it's just been an incredible atmosphere here all night. People have gathered from all over the world. You have people from China here, people from Syria, people from Croatia, America, Canada. I mean, all nationalities here celebrating, and really a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for many to be here in London tonight. And of course, the fireworks weren't here 2 years ago because of the pandemic, the coronavirus pandemic. So they're back now and have been one of the best shows in Europe and one of the biggest. Back to you in the studio. Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year to you, Greg. Great to have such a cosmopolitan vox pop there from a cosmopolitan city. Fair to say it's not just London doing its thing. We've seen cities around the world, but Scotland also celebrating the new year, celebrating Hogmanay as it's known, with its own very spectacular fireworks display in Edinburgh. Just as with London, of course, it's the first time in 3 years that the event hasn't been limited by COVID pandemic restrictions. So the fireworks are out in full force once again, this time over Edinburgh, launched from around the castle, in fact, which stands right in the centre of the city. Some great pictures there. I do want to bring you up to date with other news.